Damn it, we're lost. Hold the wheel. Hold the wheel! Okay, man, we're lost. What do we do?
I don't know. Just get a radio station on.
I don't care about the goddamn radio station. We're lost.
Yeah, but it's gangster rap.
No lie, you know this. All that outside is like showbiz.
Turn the music down.
No lie,
Turn the
and you
music down.
know this.
God, I'm so pissed at you right now.
Okay, if you're mad, I have to show you something.
What the hell? That's the front of my car.
Yeah,
What happened?
Granny had a baseball bat.
You hit a granny?
She was like a hooker granny,
Oh my God.
and I didn't pay her. And because she was a discount because she was old, but Granny had a baseball bat.
That's disgusting.
Then she was behind me in your rear windshield wiper.
This is my new car. I bought it like a week ago.
Yeah, and you might find some like sperm spots in the back.
Oh my God.
Okay, what's that noise?